Sige na, sige na. Sige na. Make triangle na. Very good. Sige, go. Make triangle. Dili, circle na. Triangle.
Triangle?
This one, oh. Parehan niyo, oh. This one, oh. This one, oh. This one.
This one.
Ayaw, luwag, ayaw, luwag.
Triangle!
Apa man, this one.
This one.
Ayaw, luwag, lagi kayo makuhan.
Triangle.
Very good. Ulagi,
Awa,
awa,
triangle.
sakit. Sige, go. Very good. Sige na, sige na.
Triangle. Iko this one?
Oo, alangan. Very good. Next.
Yay!
Okay, sa.
Okay.
Very good. Good.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Isa pa.
Yay!
This one.
This one?
Sige, go.
Okay.
Very good. Sige na. Okay lang. Basta lang.
Wow, malaki yung sir. So, 1, 4, 5, 7. Wow, it's ready. Yeah, that's good.
Sige, go. Sige, next na. This one, yay. Done na ni Cooks. Sige, this one. Kuan na ba? Circles.
5.
Sige na.
Diba?
Color or the circle.
This one?
Color or the silk.
Orange? Okay.
Asa man ang orange na ba?
This one?
Orange. Very good.
Orange!
Oh, colori ang circle. Pangita, find circle. Circle! Dili day.
This one?
Antay sa anak ha. Circle ba nisin? Oh, circle lagi. Sige, di man mahanap mangud ang iha.
Ma, this one?
Oh, sige, circle na. Circle na oblong man na. Circle. Pangita ang circle.
Triangle?
No, circle akong giingon. Circle, this one.
Okay. Kailan circle?
Circle. Eh, pa may find ba circle be? Asa pa? Asa pa circle?
Circle?
No, circle. Mas square man na. Circle.
Ano? One?
No.
This one?
Very good. Next. Very good. Very good.
Yay! This one?
Very good.
This one?
Very good.
This one?
Very good.
This one?
Very good.
Yay!
Sa boss, aha, circle dara.
This one?
Very good. Sige.
Okay.
Napagod. Napagani.
Kana na?
Ha?
Kana? Kana?
Be, basahon daw, be. Basahon, oh. Draw a line to connect the matching letters. So,
This
magtumo ka og line ko ko.
Mama, this one?
Oh. Asa man diri abi pangita daw diri, be. Haman.
This one?
Hay connect.
This one?
Oh, haman mo i-connect na. Pangita diri. Asa i-connect? Very good. Sige, go. Sige, go.
Kana?
Diri sa dot, oh, diri sa dot.
Okay.
Kana, good. Sige, go. Sige. Very good. Sige, next. This one. How many connect?
Yay!
This one. Kita ah.
Ay.
Asa na PS na i-connect? Pangita adre asa na lapit i-connect?
This one?
No, letter B to siya. Pangita adre ang letter B.
This one?
Very good. Sige go. Dili ba? Dili raman.
This one?
Kani ba?
This one?
Kana, asa man i-connect? Oh, diha.
This
Sige
one?
go.
Okay.
Go. Sige. Very good. Next, nasad. This one, this one. Asa man i-connect? Letter C. Pangita adre ang letter C sa pikas. Kolom. Asa diha ang letter C. Okay, find letter C.
This one?
Oh, very good. Nag-connect kayo.
Yeah.
Draw a line. Asa man nimo agoy? Si day na po ko.
Next.
Asa na i-connect? Asa na ang si i-connect dira day sa I? Ha? Dira sa I?
Ha?
Asa man na i-connect? Ang letter C.
Ako.
Sige, connect na. Asa na i-connect?
This one?
Kani ba? Asa na i-connect ang letter C? Asa na i-connect? Asa na i-connect ang letter C?
This one?
Sige.
This one?
Kana. Sige, go, connect. Very good. This one, letter D. Asa na i-connect? This one. Find letter D. No, dire. Letter D pa ka. Asang letter D diha? Good. Sige, go, connect. Draw line.
Okay.
Draw line. Sige, go. Go. Yeah, very good. This one. And letter E. Asa na i-connect?
This one?
Very good. Yeah, very good. Sige, go, connect. Draw line.
This one?
Draw line. Sige, go. Sige, good. Kani, letter F. Asa na i-connect? Pangita ng letter F.
This one?
Asa i-connect?
This one?
Very good. Sige, go. Good. Sige, go. Kanina po dito G. Asa na i-connect ang letter G?
This one?
Good. Sige, go. Tara, nara naman G. Sige na, go.
Ano?
Oh, lagi. Sige, go.
Okay. This one? Yeah.
Very good. This one. Asa na i-connect? Letter H. Asa na i-connect ang H? Pangita ng H. H ba? Pare din na sila.
This one?
H. Pangita ang H.
This one?
Very good. Sige, go connect your line. Yehey.
Yay!
Ganit eh. Sige, shape, trace. Sige, go. Triangle.
Okay.
Sige, dala pag una. Kani, circle na lang, baby. Circle.
What? This
Saan
one?
ka mag una, guys? Sige, go.
This one? Triangle?
Trace nimo ng
This
kuan,
one?
triangle,
This
circle.
one?
Unsa man yung shape ko? Unsa man eh?
Circle.
Very good. This one?
Triangle.
Very good. This one?
Triangle.
This one?
JB.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
This one, unsa siya?
Rectangle.
Kani, this one, unsa yung shape? Square.
Square.
Very good. This one, unsa ni? Square.
Square.
Very good. Sige na, go na. Trace na.
This one?
Sige.
Okay.